Hi everyone, it's your girl Tamari. I'm back at it again with another video. Now, earlier this year, I did make a video stating that I'm gonna take my weight loss journey seriously and I'll give you guys weekly updates. That was a few weeks ago, but don't worry about it. I'll make the videos consistently now. So pretty much I'm just gonna give you guys an update. Let me get straight to it on my weight loss journey. Some tips and tricks of how I have managed to succeed on my journey so far, and just a little bit of details about my journey and how it's been going. So to get straight to the point, I have lost 10 pounds so far. I'm not gonna say that's the biggest milestone for me because I have a lot more to go, but it is a pretty good milestone, especially because I've started this journey about a month ago and I have not been fully gung-ho about every single aspect of it. I have been eating the 1 meal a day diet, and I wouldn't really say that this is a diet. It's just another version of intermittent fasting where you pretty much just eat 1 meal a day. I don't really have a set of hours that I do it for like some people do. I usually just eat around anywhere between 4 and 6 p.m. That's just my thing, and that works for my life currently. A lot of people has things to say about that, but realistically speaking, fasting is very beneficial for us as people, and it works for weight loss as well. So I don't see why not. If it's not making you feel bad, currently right now, I'm not sure if it's because I'm overweight, but eating 1 meal a day is literally nothing for me. I'm not entirely sure what it is. Maybe it has something to do with sugar, but the less you eat, the less you crave food. At least that's what I've been noticing for me. And then the more you eat, the more you crave food. So I have probably broken the 1 meal a day diet one time out of this entire time. And I broke it for 2 days. So for those 2 days, one day I ate 2 times, the other day I ate 3 times. I noticed that the more that I kept eating, the more that I was craving food. And then once I finally stopped doing it, that's when my appetite went back down. So that is just for me personally. I know that there are people out there that takes stimulants or something to try to curb their diet. I truly believe that the best appetite suppressant is just fasting, because the less you eat, the less you crave food. I'm so serious, and it took me a while to realize this. It took me to finally do the OMAD diet for me to realize that, wow, this actually is not that hard, because after you're 3-4 days in, your appetite literally goes down. Eating the 1 meal a day diet has been pretty important to my weight loss, because obviously the most important part about weight loss is calories in, calories out. I am one of those people where if I'm eating multiple times per day, it's going to be harder for me to keep my calories in a deficit because I'm eating many meals per day. But if I'm only eating 1 time a day, it's very hard for me to eat anywhere over 1,1400 calories in one sitting, based off of what I'm eating right now. I accompany this with exercise. Now, I have talked about this in my videos before, but I will mention it again. I go on long walks almost every day. I did not go on one today, yesterday, or the day before. So one thing about it, I'm going to be very honest. The reason for that is because it's extremely cold right now. Usually, most days, I go on long walks. And you better believe that once spring starts coming around and the weather gets consistently nice, I will be going on long walks every single day. No days off. It's very good for your health. Very, very good for your health, and especially if you're on a weight loss journey like me. 10,000 steps per day, that's 5 miles. I wear my Apple Watch almost every time I go on my long walks. It shows that I've burnt anywhere between 600 and 800 calories from just walking. And I remember the most I've ever went walking so far, because I'm pushing myself up to 10 miles a session. The most I've walked is 7.5 miles, and in that 7.5 miles, literally I burnt over 1,000 calories. So says the Apple Watch. Who knows how accurate that is? But either way, walking burns a lot of calories. It's easy. It's low impact. It's something that I can maintain every day, and it's something that I enjoy and is very effective as well. Walking, the benefits are burning calories, improving mental clarity, staying active without it being a high intensity workout. You have to understand that I have tried so many things to lose weight, and one of my biggest things, other than lack of consistency, is just the pain that certain exercises causes my body. Like, that is one of the main reasons why I wouldn't like doing certain exercises, because it causes my body to have pain. Like, my back already hurts, and now my back hurts even worse. The low intensity aspects of walking, swimming, even riding bikes, it is much obliged. I used to do weightlifting. I used to do it about 5 days a week, and I did that for 3 months straight. Can you believe that throughout that entire time I did not lose any weight? And I'm sure that it had like a lot to do with maybe my calories weren't as low as they needed to be, but it was also just my body was not losing weight with that exercise. Thankfully now, and that might have been due to stress, by the way, because those workouts were causing my body a lot of stress, probably due to my current weight, and then doing all of that high intensity workout, and then the stress that I was experiencing at that point in my life. I'm quite sure that the amount of stress hormones that was in my body was just preventing progress. A low stress form of workout that is effective, that burns a lot of calories, is walking, and it's been working for me. This isn't something that has helped me lose weight, but this is a mindset that I have had that has helped me while losing weight. I give myself grace, okay? And I'm sure a lot of other people, I have a sweet tooth, okay? I cannot help it. I have an extreme sweet tooth. I don't know what it is. When I get sad, I just crave sweets. I've seen a lot of memes about this, but after you finish eating something savory, you just want something sweet afterwards. I can't help myself. So I have my sweets, and I curb that, or I fill it with either things that are healthy or things that's like a mixture of healthy and something else, or I'll have just a little nibble of something sweet. I'll have like a little piece of something that I enjoy. Another thing that I'll have, and another staple thing that curbs my sweet craving, is yogurt bowls. So yogurt bowls are nutritious, very delicious. How I do it is I pretty much just have unsweetened cashew yogurt. That's like my favorite. And then I have fruits that I like in it with some honey. And that's it. And then it curbs my sweet craving. To everyone out there that is trying to lose weight, please give yourself grace. And if there's something that you enjoy, still have it, but have a small amount of it. Your weight goes up and down during weight loss. That's just the bottom line. Your weight will go up, and all that matters mostly is trends over time. You're not supposed to focus on, oh well, yesterday I was this and now it's showing like a pound or two more. It's not accurate. Like, unless you really pigged out for that day, there is no way that you gained a pound of fat in a day or two. So in this, I would say weight goes up and down daily due to water retention, hormones, or even some of the meals that you have eaten. The scale isn't the only measure of progress. Measurements, how you're feeling, and consistency matters more than anything. Obviously, there are certain things that I have cut out of my diet. Like, I do not eat white bread or really any bread while I'm losing weight. I did eat something with bread the other day, and literally the next day I saw the scale go up. I'm not sure the science behind that, but yeah, I cut out bread. I'm a vegetarian, so there's already a lot of things that I don't eat. I've cut down on sweets. The next step for me, and hopefully in the next video I'll be another 5 to 10 pounds down, but the next step for me is definitely going to be focusing on more nutrient dense foods, increasing my protein, which is a little bit hard to do as a vegetarian, but definitely possible, and just keeping a closer eye on my calorie intake. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you're also on a weight loss journey this year, Please feel free to subscribe to follow me on my journey, and hopefully it helps you out on yours as well. One of the biggest issues that I have had with weight loss is literally consistency. And sometimes when you have like a internet personality helping you out or being on the journey with you, it definitely does help you to stay consistent, because we're in this for the long run. Okay, I know there's a lot of stimulating videos that shows, oh, lose weight or lose 40 pounds in 3 months. They might have lose 40 pounds in 3 months, but it doesn't mean that you're gonna lose 40 pounds in 3 months. It might take your body a year to lose it. And even though I'm saying lose 10 pounds in a month, someone else could follow these exact same things that I just said and only lose 2 to 5 pounds. But the main thing is sticking to it and staying consistent. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.